Here's some Matchlock Firearms trivia. Subscribe. What is the term for the slow-burning cord in matchlocks? Is it A, fuse wire, B, match cord, C, gunpowder fuse, or D, ignition wick? The correct answer is B, match cord. What mechanism replaced matchlocks in the 17th century? Is it A, percussion cap, B, flintlock, C, snap haunts, or D, firearm wheel? The correct answer is B, flintlock. Which part directs the burning cord to the powder? Is it A, trigger, B, fuse, C, pan, or D, cap? The correct answer is C, pan. What is the typical range for a matchlock firearm? Is it A, 200 meters, B, 75 meters, C, 150 meters, or D, 300 meters? The correct answer is A, 200 meters. What did Matchlock Firearms largely replace in warfare? Is it A, catapults, B, longbows, C, swords, or D, crossbows? The correct answer is D, crossbows. Which type of warfare made extensive use of matchlocks? Is it A, cavalry charges, B, artillery bombardment, C, naval engagements, or D, infantry tactics? The correct answer is D, infantry tactics. What was often used as a powder container in matchlocks? Is it A, bottle, B, cartridge, C, flask, or D, canister? The correct answer is C, flask. What significant innovation did matchlocks contribute to? Is it A, cannon design, B, ammunition types, C, firearm mechanics, or D, archery techniques? The correct answer is C, firearm mechanics. What was a common drawback of matchlock firearms? Is it A, heavy weight, B, weather sensitivity, C, high ammo cost, or D, slow reloading? The correct answer is B, weather sensitivity. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.